When we hear of such incident, we usually get frustrated, scared, we share it on social media, we light up candles, we fight for justice in a way we can. But the next day, we see the same news again. Does all this make any difference? Maybe. But is it enough? Do you feel safe in this country? In a country like India, most of the rape cases won't be reported due to the pressure and stigma around the crime. What we see every day is just a drop in the ocean. What can we possibly do? No one was born criminal, so what turned them into such monsters? We should definitely make them pay for their mistakes. But before that, we should investigate that person to find the root cause of the crime. Why? How could they? And what made them feel it's okay? Their mental stage, bad guidance, lack of education, pornography, being influenced by peers, environment around that person. If we focus on these particular reasons and try to prevent or stop them, we can prevent future crimes from happening and hope for a better future generation. Change. Education system will be the most effective way for a change, but we find many flaws in our education system. When I was in my 10th grade, a junior of mine was misbehaving with his fellow female classmates. The school just gave him a TC and reminded everyone that they are not opening doors for such kind of students with that kind of behavior. Schools are more concerned about their own reputation. Schools supposed to guide the students towards the right path, but in exchange, schools abandon students who need the most guidance. Without any proper guidance, they will probably commit a crime in near future. Then, the socially responsible citizen in everyone will be awakened, showing their frustration on social media, lighting up candles, and the cycle repeats again. Why here? Why not here? Why there is no sex education and consent taught in our school curriculum? Why are we hiding facts? If we can provide proper education to the younger generation, make them aware of their limits, rights, law and rules, about the puberty, respected genders, judgments in the society, difference between a good touch and a bad touch, consent, and sex education. If we can provide children the proper environment to live, if we can not only punish the criminal but also take measures and make changes to stop the crime, only then we can hope for a better future and a safer country.